Today we are making buttery golden biscuits, soft, flaky and fresh from the oven. Let's get started. Start by combining 125 grams of bread flour and 120 grams of pastry flour in a bowl. Next, 13 grams of sugar, 15 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of salt, 88 grams of butter. Now get in there with your hands and gently rub the butter into the dry mix until it turns a crumbly texture, kind of like a chunky buttery sand. Take your time. Once you're done, start pouring in the milk little at a time, mixing gently as you go. The dough will feel quite wet at first. That's totally normal. Keep adding just enough milk until it comes together into a soft, sticky dough. That stickiness means you'll get a tender, fluffy biscuits in the end. Now lightly flour your workspace. Turn the dough out on the lightly floured surface and gently pat it into a rough rectangle, about 2 cm thick. Don't worry about making it perfect. Go ahead and cut out your biscuits with a 6 cm cutter. Once you cut out your biscuits, flip them so the bottoms are facing up as you place them on the baking tray. This little trick ensures they bake up with a nice flat top. Now take the leftover bits of dough, gently bring them together and pat them into another rough rectangle. Then cut out the rest of your biscuits. Now take a brush and gently coat the tops of your biscuits with a little milk. This gives them a nice golden finish as they bake. Once you are done, pop the biscuits in the oven and bake at 200 Celsius for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy!